next thing I want to look at is like how this should make you sort of understand a little bit about why algebra is more powerful than just using simple numbers. We can substitute values into algebraic expressions. And James, you're really good at this. It's one of your strong points, but let's see, maybe you can show Ashley how it works. We'll just pick some values for the various letters in these equations and then substitute. A is 3. A is identical to 3, or we can write 3 instead of the letter A in any of these expressions. B is 1. C is 2. And we'll try and work out the numerical values of these expressions. So let's say you've got x is equal to ab plus c. We'd substitute, so whenever you see an A, you can write a 3, whenever you see a B, you can write a 1, and whenever you see a C, you can write a 2. To work out the value of x, first of all you substitute the letters. X is 3 times 1 plus 2. Now this is a bit more professional to write it as 3 bracket 1 to mean 3 times 1, but we could have equally written 3 times 1 plus 2. I think one of the reasons that we do it, that this is better, although your teachers might not like it at this stage, is that you don't confuse the multiplication sign with an x. So work with 3 bracket 1, which means 3 times 1, 2 letters, the things written together mean multiplying. 3 times 1 is 3, so it equals to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. It's solved. So we've got x is equal to 2c plus 4b all divided by a. And we make the substitutions for a, b and c. You get x is 2 times c, which is 2, plus 4 times b, which is 1, all divided by a, which is 3. We can write 3 in place of a. I think that's kind of important because these two things are absolutely identical to, and there's no difference between them. So to work this out, work at the top. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 3. I've made a mistake here. No I haven't. I just picked bad numbers. This is 8 divided by 3. So x is 8 over 3, and the stuff which James is doing at the moment is convert this top-heavy fraction. So if I pause for a second, maybe you can work that out, James. 8 divided by 3 is a mixed fraction. We ask ourselves, how many times does that number go into that number, and what's the remainder? Well, 2 3s is 6, and that leaves 2 left over, so we write 2, and then 3 stays where it is. 3 times 2 is 6, we'll have 2 left over as a remainder. 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8 is 2, 1, 2. Okay, here's another one. So we do substitution. X is equal to 2. In place of the A we write 3. In place of the B we write 1. In place of C we write 2. So it's 2 bracket 2. And then you work out the numbers. 2 3s are 6, take away 1, 2 2s are 4, 6 take away 1 is 5, 5 add 4 is 9. So that's basic substitution. I think that's enough of those. No, we'll do one more. X is 3a plus b all divided by c. So we make the substitution, so you get the original equation, we substitute the numerical values in place of the variables. A, B and C are known as variables because their value can vary, and the numbers 3, 1 and 2 are called constants because their value is constant, they have a fixed value. So you have constants and variables in these equations. While we're on terminology, again I just want to refresh your memory. 3a, the coefficient of a is 3. Coefficient means the number that multiplies a particular entity. So the coefficient of a is 3, and also the coefficient of 3 is a, actually. This whole thing is called an expression in a, b and c, and then this, when you include the equal sign, becomes an equation. A little bit of terminology there. So now we're going to make the substitution. So x is equal to 3, a stands for 1, plus b, no, a stands for 3, so 3 is written in place of a, plus b, which is 1, all divided by c, which is 2. So 3 3s are 9, plus 1 divided by 2, which is 10 on the top, divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 means how many 2's go into 10, or 2 times a number equals 10. Well, the number that when you times by 2 you get 10 is 5. 2 5s are 10. So that's the answer, or the solution to that particular question.